Welcome to Techtuality, your go-to for tech reviews and the latest trends. Explore with us, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Here are the steps on how to change your Facebook username. Open your Facebook application. Click on the three lines in the top right corner of the Facebook page. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Click on Settings. You will see Account Center at the top of the page. Click on it. This click will take to Account Center main page. There you will see a heading named Profiles. With your username and profile pic, click on it. There you will get your Facebook profile. Click on it and it will take you to your profile's username and profile picture. For changing username, you need to click on Username. Type your desired new username in the provided field. Facebook will check the availability of the username. If it is not available, you will need to choose a different one. Once you have selected an available username, enter your Facebook password to confirm the changes. Click Save Changes. Once you've saved your new username, should now be visible in your profile and on your account. Please note that Facebook has limits on how often you can change your name, and you may need to wait 60 days before making another change. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting tech-related videos. If you still have any questions, feel free to comment, and I will make a video for that issue.